Okay, now let's move on to the last two digits. So again, let's start with products. So if I have numbers like this and I'm trying to find the last two digits of this product, like we saw in the case of unit digit, all you need to do is take the last two digits of all the numbers and find it out. So now 45 into 12 is 540. Basically, I will ignore this. I will just keep the 40, but let me write it down for the moment. Similarly, 08 into 13 is 104. Again, I keep the last two digits. So here I am taking this, here I am taking this. So I get 40 into 04, which is equal to 160, and the last two digits is 60. So again, to do it very quickly in the exam, what will you do? 45 into 12, you have to calculate 540. Just write 40. Forget the, so now you just take the last two digits because we are being asked that. Forget about all the other digits. Multiplied by 8 into 13 is 104. So 0, 4. Forget about the 1 and multiply this. I get 160. Forget about the 1. Answer is 60. 60 is the 60 are the last two digits of this entire product. So products is fairly straightforward. Now let's move on to exponents and the last two digits of exponents. So first let's understand when the number, this number is ending in 1, that is unit digit is equal to 1, and we're trying to find out the last two digits of this exponent. Here we have a very simple rule. You take the tens digit of this and you take the unit digit of the power. You multiply them. So 4 into 3 here is 12. The last digit, as you know, when it is ending in 1, the last digit of this entire exponent will always be 1. So I write this and the last two digits of this exponent will be 21. So again, to show it again so that it becomes clear to you, 81 into 68. Take the tens digit of this and the unit digit of the power. I have 8 into 8, which is equal to 64. 1, obviously 1 raised by anything will end in 1. So I will put this 1 directly and 41 is the last two digits. You forget about the 6. 6 is not the third digit necessarily, but 41 will be the last two digits. Now if I move on to here, again this is a 3-digit number. You can have any number of digits, but you need to take the tens digit and you need to take the units digit of the power. So this is 4 into 4, that is 16. Again, let me write this once, and then the unit digit of this exponent will always be 1. So the last two digits will be 61. So this is how you do it. So again, quickly when you do it in the exam, so whenever you have anything, let us say I have 31 raised to the power 5, 3, 4, 7, let us say. So 7 into 3 is 21. So I have 1 and the unit digit will be 1. So the last two digits will be 11. Again, one more example. Let us say I have 1, 5, 6, 2, 5, 1 raised to the power 5, 3, 2, 4. Again, what will I have? I'll have 5 into 4, which is 20. So I'll just take the unit digit of that product 0 and 1 will be as such, and the last two digits will be 0, 1. So you multiply these two and you take the unit digit of the product. That will be the tens digit and 1 will be the units digit. So I hope that these examples make this clear, because this is one of the simplest questions you can get in terms of exponents and finding the last two digits. Okay, again these are some examples. So in this case, again this is the tens digit, this is the units digit. So this is 5 into 6, 30. Just take the 0 and 1. These are the last two digits. Similarly here 6 into 8, that is 48. Just take the 8 and 1, that is this. So if I multiply these, I will get 81 and the last two digits of this, the whole expression will be 81. And similarly, if I multiply it with more terms, you just keep finding out the last two terms, two digits, and multiply them to find the two digits of the expression.